Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and it is Tuesday, which means it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. This is an open collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. I will have her channel linked down below along with the playlist for more cleaning motivation along the way. This is a collab where we bring you tons of cleaning motivation to tackle small tasks around our home, and then hopefully we get to the bigger stuff and we just give you motivation to get up and clean. So hopefully you can clean along with us. So we just had Thanksgiving weekend here in Canada, so I wasn't sure if I was actually going to get a video up, but before this video goes up today, I have some time, so I'm going to film a few small tasks around my home and bring you along for the cleaning motivation. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first on the list of cleaning tasks, this has been a task that my son has been asking me to do for a while. These are Perler beads, or melting beads as we call them, and these are his creations. He's copied them off of the iPad and he wants me to melt them. So by doing this, I'm going to be tidying up his desk so he can get in here and create more, and his brother has been wanting to create, but we don't want anybody to wreck these ones, so we are going to melt these. that is all for today's video. Definitely go check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the link to the playlist down below, because you're going to get more cleaning motivation to start your week and tackle all the things this week. I did mention at the beginning of the video that I might get to a few things around the house. There's always things to do. I have laundry and dishes and all of that. But for now, this is what I can film and motivate you with, because we're about to start homeschool here in a little bit. So I got my kids' Perler beads melted and wiped off their desk so that they can make another mess, another creative mess. And it's almost a full-time job just melting their creations some days. But that is okay. I love that creativity is flowing out of our home. And I hope you liked coming along for this random cleaning, tiny tidy of my kids' desk. So I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Here on my channel, I share a homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, and more. So I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.